Okay guys, we're just going for like a little walk right now, and the sunset is like right by.
Welcome back everybody. Today we are going for a little stroll in Carlsbad, California. Not to be confused with Carlsbad, New Mexico, but yeah, we're here in Carlsbad, California, going for a little walk. We might be able to catch the sunset actually this evening. We probably got another 10 minutes before we get down towards the beach where we can get a good view. So hopefully we make it.
Cross over there, and we're gonna go try catch the sunset.
Cool intersection. So when the light says that we can cross this intersection here, you can cross diagonal. So we're gonna cross diagonally, and here we go.
Okay guys, over there's a Carlsbad sign.
So the street right here on the left is PCH, or Pacific Coast Highway. Check out this old phone booth right here. Pretty cool, huh? And in 3, 2.
Okay guys, so we're almost to the beach. So we're gonna try to see the sunset.
Looks like we're almost there. All right, so we're headed over to that Carlsbad State Beach sign. That way we can see the sunset. We're just about to make it, yeah. So if you look over to the right, there's a sunset. Just in time. Perfect. All right, so it looks like we made it today to see the sunset. Lots of times we get out here and we usually just miss it. But today we made it. So you guys get to see the sunset. Okay, like that.
Alright guys, so we had to walk a little bit fast so we could see the sunset.
nice, really clear day today. As you can see, this here is Carlsbad, California. You got a nice walkway that you can take right along the road here, Pacific Coast Highway. And also, if you go down the steps, then you can walk down towards the sand and the beach.
A lot of people playing and like relaxing at the beach, and the sunset is really pretty.
And you see there's a whole bunch of volleyball courts too, so if you like beach volleyball, sand volleyball, this is a good spot to come down here. Sometimes during the day and in the summertime, it does get pretty packed, so you gotta come early or just try to jump into a game.
I found it in my pocket. Although no, look who I found in my pocket.
Dolphin.
Dolphin. What if it was a shark? I do, but like all the way over there.
You still see?
Yeah, I saw a dolphin.
Yeah?
I'll tell you when I see dolphin.
All right, so here we're at Carlsbad State Beach. We're gonna take a walk down to the lower level, down by the sand. Watch your step. So there's also the upper level there that's adjacent to the street. But down a little ways, I remember seeing that there was some construction going on the sidewalk, but we'll check it out later and see if we can walk back on the upper level.
This is like my favorite part.
Can you feel it? Can you feel the thunder? Can you feel the love? It's coming through the walls and all the hearts are lighting up. Colors that bring you back to life. Dreaming inside a disco night.
Huh?
All my worries are gone. On and on. Watching the stars light into the ceiling. Heart rate high is just a feeling. Baseline blue making you wanna move. Watching the light waves, I wanna believe it. Heart rate high is just a feeling. Dancing through all the pain you've been through. Forget all your troubles and all your other lovers. Tonight let's have a ball, 'cause all the hearts are lighting up. Colors that bring you back to life. Dreaming inside disco night. All my worries are gone. On and on. Watching the stars light into the ceiling. Heart rate high is just a feeling. Baseline blue making you wanna move. Watching the light waves, I wanna believe it. Heart rate high is just a feeling.
Guys, if you can see, there's like dolphins popping out of the water. some like dolphins pop up, like they're popping up of the water. Like if you can see, there's some like popping up. I can see like their like thing on their back. There's like a few dolphins, and there's a lot of birds too. And I'm pretty sure they're seagulls, pelicans. They're pelicans. I was standing up. Yeah.
Okay, guys, now we can no longer see the sun. Whoa. Those are huge. Yeah. Okay, guys, there's a lot of pelicans and they're really big. Alana, wasn't it so cool up there when we were sitting? Okay, but
Guys, it was really cool up there. You can see like everything.
yeah.
Walkway is closed off. This lower level is still open. So the upper level up there is closed off right now because due to construction, but the lower level down here, right on the sand, is still open to walk. So if you want to come and take a sunset stroll, down here on the bottom is still open.
And guys, if you have any pets, especially like dogs, I think this is a good place to like walk them, because I can see like a lot of people taking their dogs here and walking them by like the sunset and the beach.
Anything else, Mama?
And guys, did you see my shoes? Look at them. They're like gray, black, and white, and they have like this air inside, like you can like. And I only use them on weekends, so they're kind of clean. They're fire.
When we were like at the bottom of the hill.
And guys, if you want to see my whole outfit, like I have a Raiders shirt on and black pants, and then I have my jacket that's a Hello Kitty jacket, and I got it from, I think, Ross, and then I have the shoes that you guys just saw.
They're super cool.
For one.
Guys, now we made it to Carlsbad Lifeguard Tower number 36. And it says there's no lifeguard on duty.
So yeah, here's the construction here at the Carlsbad beach. Looks like they're putting in another stairwell to come down from the Coast Highway sidewalk. So hopefully it's completed soon, and then maybe we can give you a
Stay right there,
tour
Mommy.
out here so you can check it
Stay
out.
right there. Wait.
But sun has completely set now. We made it down to the Lifeguard Tower 36 here at Carlsbad Beach, and we're going to walk down a little ways back towards where we started from and head up on the stairs that'll take us up to Coast Highway so you can see the upper level walkway.
And guys, there's like a lot of like flies thingy, or like bugs like that can fly. And I've been seeing them like come close. Like there's one that just passed by my face. So there's a lot of bugs here, like flies.
I really love walking out at the beach at springtime because it just like, it feels like warm but windy at the same time, and there's like really beautiful like flowers and plants, and especially if you come like during this time of the day where the sun is setting, and it's just like really beautiful, and you'll see like dolphins, seals, seagulls,
And then let me check my steps.
pretty things.
And it's like the right temperature. We're going to go dinner. Guys, we're gonna take these steps up there, and we have to be kind of careful because if you fall, it's gonna hurt. And the stairs are kind of sandy. Steps are kind of sandy, so you shouldn't really like be playing around here because it's gonna hurt if you fall down. It's really high.
You can also hear the waves, and it's really
This is kind of-
beautiful.
This view is really pretty because it's like taller than the other view.
So now we made it up to the upper level where there's a sidewalk here and it runs parallel to the Pacific Coast Highway. Or out here they just call it Coast Highway for short, but yeah, 101. You can see here where the start of the construction area where the sidewalk is. So hopefully they're done with the construction soon and we can walk all the way down to Tamarack.
And also the reason why this is called the Pacific Coast Highway is because this ocean right here is called the Pacific Ocean, for those who don't know.
I feel like eating either In-N-Out burgers or something else.
All right, look at there's a Mario Kart, just like they got in Japan. All right, cool. Yeah, looks like he's headed over to Denny's by the Sea. That's one of the popular restaurants here in Carlsbad. A lot of times there's a long wait, so you either got to make a reservation or just show up early. Right, so we're making it back up here to our starting point. Well, we're making it back up here to where we started the whole walk at the Carlsbad side, off of Carlsbad Village Drive and Coast Highway. So this is going to conclude our video for today. Thanks for coming out with us to Carlsbad and going for this sunset stroll. And make sure you tune in and come back and watch the next video. See you next time.
See you later.